Secure the starboard rigging.
Aye, securing now.
Double check the tension on the main line. We are lifting on my mark. Secured, supervisor. Standing clear. We've located the vehicle. Our priority now is securing the lift bags. The crane and the ROVs are synchronized for the recovery phase.
Ensure the shackles are fully seated before we take the tension.
All greens across the board, supervisor. Ready for the lift.
Roger that. Crane, slow hoist. Confirming recovery route Alpha 9er. Estimated time of arrival at the wreck site is 0800.
All right, steady on the crane. Lowering now. Copy that, watching the tension. Easing to 50 meters.
Keep it steady, watch the tracks.
Crane, we are approaching the pickup point, awaiting your confirmation.
We have splash. Confirming descent trajectory.
Looks good from here. Keep it steady.
The ROV, designated Ghost Hunter, begins its descent, cutting through the clear surface waters as it heads for the wreck.
Undeterred by the bloom, the remotely operated vehicle pushes forward. The recovery of the blue...
Final systems check complete. Maintain strict depth control during the approach. We need that vehicle intact.
Copy that. Proceeding to the descent point.
The AUV descends, utilizing its powerful thrusters to clear the seabed. With the sand neutralized, the manipulator arms prepare for the lift.
Utilizing the AUV, we can map the debris field before the main recovery operation begins.
Engaging the main gear now. Copy that. Increase speed to 20 meters per minute.
As the AUV blasts away the deep-sea silt, the sheer scale of the recovery challenge becomes apparent.
We have visual confirmation. The Rolls-Royce Ghost container is secured.
Secure the forward sling now. We need tension on that line before the next swell.
Control, bell is pressurized and ready for descent.
Roger that. Checking seal integrity now.
Divers, confirm status.
Check the primary shackle tension now. It's fully secured. We are good to go.
Bridge, this is dive control. We have a green light from the team. Commencing descent.
Keep it steady. We're almost there.
All right, she's in the water. Lower away.
Roger that. Lowering the cable.
Stand by to deploy the messenger. Dropping the weight now. Feed it fast, we're losing depth.
shackle is secured and torqued. Confirmed.
Signal the crane to lower.
Bridge, we are lowering the main hook now. Requesting clearance to proceed.
Watch the swing on that guide rope.
Rigging secure on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Continuing ascent profile.
We are clear of the water line. 20 meters to the deck. Keep it steady.
¡Cuidado con el cable! ¡Baja, baja despacio! Listo, aquí está libre. All right, she's down. Right. Roger that. Start securing the forward lashings now, and check the tension on the aft cables. Check the tension on that forward strap.
It's secure now, Captain.
Bridge, all lashings checked and secured. Over.
The Ghost has been secured. After weeks submerged, the ultimate...
Check the forward starboard rigging again. Looks secure, tension is optimal, ready for the lift.
Data confirms stability. Proceed.
Easy now, center it up.
Watch the left side, clear the edge.
Hold it there, hold it steady.
Okay, hold it steady. Watch the clearance on the front bumper. Easy now, keep it coming slowly. All right, bring it down, all clear. Ratchet secure on the rear left.
Okay, moving to the front right now. Watch the clearance.
Lower the door slowly. Got it. Watch the alignment. Hatch is secured. Mission accomplished, gentlemen.
The recovery of the Ghost continues, pushing through the storm towards the open sea.